Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So your favorite YouTube yarn junkie, I hope. Anyways, thanks for joining me today. I hope everybody's staying safe. So did you know, I didn't know this, I just was browsing yarn websites like I do non-stop all the time, and I've seen a Walmart has a mystery box of yarn. It's not called a mystery box though. That's probably why I never saw it before. But I just happened to see it, and it's called Yarn Assortment Box, 5 pounds. So that's what it's called. And it's $36.99 for 5 pounds of yarn assortment. I don't know what's in it. I think it said assorted acrylic yarns. And then I don't know if they have labels. Probably not. And yeah, so I always like a good mystery box. I like to try to guess what the yarn is, and Walmart had it, and since it was I think it's $36.99. I'm not affiliated with it, but I'll put a link below. You get free shipping from Walmart, because if you spend $35 at Walmart, it's free shipping. And it only took about 3 days to get here. Walmart's pretty fast to shipping. They got to keep up with Amazon. And so yeah, and I will answer, I do have a tutorial for this hat, number 650. And the yarn I used is Premier Muir Woods, in case anybody wonders. They're probably going to ask. So let's open up this mystery box. So it is sold and shipped by Walmart.com. But this is the box it came in. It didn't come in a Walmart box like normal. But it does say from Walmart.com. So let's open it up and see what's in it. I'm excited because mystery boxes are exciting. And whenever I find a new place to get yarn or a new place to get a mystery box, Bagoday Crochet is on it to tell you if it's worth the money. So $36.99, so $37 for 5 pounds of yarn. Yarnspirations wants $8 for their milling bags, their mystery bags. So they want $8 a pound. So it's, I guess, close to the same amount. But let's check it out and see what's in here. You guys excited? $36.99. Thank you for your order. Walmart.com. Well, you're welcome, Walmart. FedEx sent it. Well, Walmart always uses FedEx, in case you didn't know. Let's see what she sent me. This is it. So it says 5 pounds of yarn. Well, let's look at it. I wonder if I have a scale up in here. I can see, weigh it real quick. Okay, so my husband said that our mailing scale is broken and it doesn't work, so I won't be able to weigh it. I can only just hope that they sent the right thing. Let's look at it. So it comes like this. Doesn't look like a lot of skeins with, okay, so none of them have labels, so we're gonna guess what they are, I guess. So it's kind of like a mystery milling bag, I guess, for $37. So this one right here is Red Heart with Love. You can tell. I would imagine that this is probably yarn that Walmart got and the labels were ripped off during shipment, or maybe they pulled it from their shelves because they were all tangled and they just put them all in a big bat and decided to sell mystery, or they don't call them mystery box, yarn assortment boxes. So this is Red Heart with Love. It does not feel like a full skein of it, but that is what that is, I can tell. This is Red Heart Super Saver in the color Cafe Latte. It's my favorite. That's possibly a full skein. It looks like it is, that it probably just lost a label. Red Heart Super Saver again. This might be the color Pool. Lost a label. It feels like a full skein. Red Heart Ombre. This is not a full skein. This is only probably 3/4 of a skein. So it probably, I don't know how they do it. If I was to guess, like I said, lost the label. I don't know. Sometimes when I'm at Walmart, I pick up a ball of yarn off the shelf, and I swear that someone brought it back half used. You guys ever notice that? I'm like, this does not feel like a full thinking yarn. It's like someone almost used some of it and then returned it to Walmart, and they put it back on their shelf. So I don't know. Maybe these are returns. This is, like I said, Red Heart Ombre. Very pretty, but definitely not a full skein there. So it looks like a bunch of Red Heart to me. It says Super Saver. It's a full skein. This is, I think this is Caron Simply Soft in the color chocolate. It feels to be like a full skein. Red Heart Super Saver in the color black. I just used this the other day to make my witch's hat. Full skein. Red Heart, I don't know about this one. I'm not too much in on the variegated. I don't buy too many variegated yarns. They're not my favorites. So, it doesn't feel bad. You guys chime in. What do you think this one is? Have you guys used this color? Maybe this could be one of their mainstays. Like I said, I don't use variegated often, so this wouldn't be one I could probably tell you what it was. It doesn't look familiar to me. The feel of it, it's a 4-weight. All of these have been 4-weight yarns. Acrylic. It doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel real rough. It's just kind of normal 4-weight. Let me know what you think this is, this blue striped one. It could be a Super Saver. It's just I'm not up to date on the variegated, so I wouldn't know. But yeah, it feels like a full skein of yarn. Red Heart Super Saver, blue, regular Red Heart Super Saver, not a full skein. 3/4 probably. Red Heart Super Saver, the color gold. That's a full skein of yarn. Red Heart Super Saver, now they started making their skeins shorter. I don't know if you guys noticed that at Walmart. As opposed to them, they used to be longer. So you can tell the difference between the older ones and the newer ones. The older ones are longer in comparison, not much, longer and thinner in comparison to the newer ones are shorter and fatter. But yes, full skein. Caron Simply Soft. Little bit left of it, not very much. This is this looks like that it's soft 4-weight acrylic. It doesn't look like a Red Heart Super Saver by the way it's balled up. I don't know, what do you guys think? What do you think? I hate it when I can't guess it. I like to guess it. It's fun. It could be some type of Bernat. Because my Walmart, I'm trying to think about what my Walmart has, but it doesn't have a lot of the yarns that some Walmarts carry a lot more yarn than my Walmart. But this maybe could be some type of Bernat Super Saver or something. Seems to be pretty close to a full skein. Not quite, but pretty close. A little tangled up. Okay, so this is messed up. This is Red Heart Super Saver Stripes. Okay, so it is, the yarn itself is messed up. You can tell it's not spun right. That's why it ended up in this pile. You can look at it and see how weird that is? It's like it's not even spun. It's all coming apart. It looks really bad. So that don't even, I don't know. That don't even really look like anything I would use because the yarn itself is not even twisted. And it doesn't feel like a full, it feels like 3/4 of a skein. But that could be because it's not spun like it's supposed to be. That's weird. Never seen yarn look like unspun Super Saver. Yeah, it's like it's just not spun at all. See, it's coming apart like that. Okay, I'm about done. This is Red Heart with Love. Seems like it's a full skein also. This is regular Red Heart in white. Red Heart Super Saver in white. Just messed up skein, not full, maybe a half a skein. I only got one left. This is Red Heart Super Saver in the color Heather Gray, full skein. All right, so it was mostly all Red Heart Super Saver, a couple Red Heart with Loves. This one, unidentifiable one, I think it's some type of Bernat. I could be wrong. You guys can help me out on that one. And then one Caron, Simply Soft, and then this one, which I don't know what that is because it's a variegated. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 that seem like they're full skeins of Red Heart Super Saver, 1 Caron Simply Soft, 1 Red Heart with Love, and this thing, which is unidentifiable, and then this one, which I'm not sure what it is. Okay, and then I have this half skein of Red Heart Ombre, and this probably 3/4 skein of Red Heart with Love, another half skein of white Red Heart Super Saver, this little bitty thing of Caron Simply Soft, and this weird untwined Red Heart Stripes. So $11 full, and but they have no labels, but I guarantee you they're all, most of them are Red Heart Super Saver, 1 Caron, and then the couple that I couldn't identify. If you average them out at $3 a skein, that's $33. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half skeins. So I'm gonna say no. I would not buy this again. I do not think it's worth. You might think that it is, but to me this is not worth $37 because they don't have labels, although it was easy to guess what they were because they're mostly Red Heart Super Saver. This one is so messed up, it won't even be able to be used because it's not wound. You know, these are good for, I guess, scrap yarn projects. Half a skein, you know, I can get some hats out of that for hat not hate. But the rest is just mainly Red Heart Super Saver besides this 1 Caron and these 2 that I don't know for sure what they are, but I can tell they're full skeins. So I don't think it's really worth what they ask. I think it's almost retail if you think about it. I don't know what I'm thinking. I haven't bought Red Heart Super Saver in a while, but I'm thinking it's like $3.50, $3.48. You guys can correct me in the comments at my Walmart, a skein. So 11 full skeins. You know, I paid $37, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half skeins. One of them is not even usable, and this isn't even a half, it's just a little scrap. So no, I would not buy it again, and I would not recommend you to buy it. So unless you thought, you know, just the mystery alone is cool, I mean, that's fun, the mystery's fun, but to me, I did get a lot of brown. I like brown and neutral colors, gray and black and gold. I love gold, but it's just not for me. I think at the price they ask, it should have been new skeins, or I don't know, new skeins and maybe less, you know, I don't know. No, it should have been new skeins with labels, and that way you knew what it was instead of a bunch of well, they got this one that's unusable. I can't use that. I'll have to put that in the scrap yarn bin or let my kids make something with it, cut it up and play with it. I don't know. Okay, so that's it. That's what's in the Walmart value, what do they call it again? 5-pound big value yarn assortment. It is not a big value, trust me. It's not no value. I would have rather have just bought them brand new at Walmart with the labels instead of a bunch of them all wound up having to guess. But you know what? Because if I would have bought them brand new, it wouldn't have been that much more money, honestly. So it's about the same, maybe a little cheaper, but you did get some half and quarter skeins that you really can't do much with. But anyways, it was still fun to open and try to guess. It was mostly Red Heart Super Saver, but anyways. So yes, my recommendation is I will not purchase this again. This is one of the worst mystery boxes I've ever opened, and I have opened a crap ton of mystery boxes in my day. So this one ranks as a very low for me. I wouldn't recommend it at all. And I won't be buying it again. But hey, I gave it a try for you guys, so you guys, in case you guys ever ran across it and you're like, hey, this seems cool, and then you can be like, well, Crystal said it's not worth it. It's not truly worth it. You can buy them brand new for almost the same price, I think. So yeah, maybe just a little bit more, but at least you'll have full skeins and they'll have labels. So that's it. I'm not happy with it. No, I'm not. But I'm happy that I was able to get it and show you guys. So hopefully you guys will take my word for it and not come across it and buy it. Hopefully you'll remember me saying that it's not worth it. But again, if you like mystery boxes like I do, maybe the sheer fun of guessing is worth it to you. This was fun to guess, but it was all pretty much just Red Heart Super Saver. Very easy to guess. So that's it. That's it. I won't buy it again. Remember, let me know in the comments what these are. They're stumping me. I don't like it when yarn stumps me, if you know what they are. Thanks everybody for watching. See you later. I'll see you on my next video, okay? Take care. Stay safe.